Just thought I'd show you my 4:30 in the morning nature preserve. And my neighbor's leaving as well. It's Sunday, May 1st. I think it's May 1st. I always get the date wrong. It is May 1st at 4:50 in the morning. How many of you have ever heard birds chirping like that at 4:30 in the morning? There's not a lick of sunshine out. And I got a nature preserve going on. I told you there was a weird bird thing. Let's see. I don't know if it'll show up. 4:50 a.m. So I just wanted to give kind of a point of reference. It's a little bit later. I want to say it's right at 5:30. And look at all these trees. I'm at my job. I'm going to clean the shop here in a minute. Do you hear any birds? And it is like a nature preserve here. There are trees everywhere. Hey, white car. They're relentless. I got them out of bed early today. I just wanted to do this little bit